divide them into, we can divide them into two things, like wave kind of like nature of phenomena and then particle nature of phenomena. These are what we call mutually exclusive. That means if it is in a wave form, it cannot be in a particle form. If it is in a particle form, it cannot be in a wave form simultaneously at one point. So this is what we experience in our daily life all the time, no matter what and whoever. And then Thomas Young, just scientist of Thomas Young, he developed this experiment. Actually, he was trying to see whether, and according, if you use this logic and reasoning, there is no way that we can describe what is happening here. So that means the contradiction between this grosser level of phenomena. Yeah, I'll be there also. I don't need to explain this, I've already. And our great photographer who is always behind the scene. And Menukur sir. Thank you. Thank you. Making it possible in such a short notice. And our new friend. Who also helped us in installation at the university. And last but not the least, I think we should give 3 cheers to one and only who just say that age is just a number. Happy Furay to Kesana. Hooray! Thank you, Mayor, for making this possible. Not so much.